2002 Cadillac Eldorado ETC Collector Series, just in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is actually $1196 of $1596. Two-owner car. Actual mile car, just a little over 25,000 is all in this car. Diamond white exterior, and I believe they considered it an oatmeal interior. 4.6 liter dual overhead cam V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, of course, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's blows cold. Get a good look at that front grille. Painted to match, front bumper. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Brand new radial tires, the correct ETC. Collector Series chrome wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Factory power sunroof, working order. There's that oatmeal interior, bucket seats, of course, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let's hear it run. Dash black for the Collector Series. There you can see the number, the 1196, a 1596. 400 from the end. Panels nice and straight. Once again, 4 radial tires, new all the way around. Great looking chrome wheel. Dual exhaust. Technician noted brakes are 60% in the front, 100% in the rear. It brakes straight. Of course, this would be a front-wheel drive car. 4-wheel disc brakes. The only thing he mentioned was just some minor powertrain seep. Tell you what, if you like Cadillacs, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars, and we have some nice Cadillacs right now also. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done right off our showroom floor, of course, online. As you can see up and down this driver's side, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches also. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Like I said, I believe they considered this oatmeal. Let me pull that warning chime off. There we go. All right, so modern amenities: power mirrors, power locks, power seats, memory seating, power windows. Should also have heated seats, electronic dual climate control, steering wheel controls, of course tilt column, cruise control. Very advanced for the day. Think of these, 23 years old now. And this one, like I said, just a little over 25,000 miles. If you've ever driven one of these, ridden in one, they're absolutely beautiful cars to ride in, drive. Actually get pretty decent economy too. Owned one of these for a while, it was a blast. 25,907. There is your exact miles, no warning indicators, anything like that. This thing runs beautiful. Dash looks good. Here's this thing was stored indoors. Stereo. Would be your electronic dual climate control, your passenger setting, you get seat switches. Take a little closer look at those seats. I haven't noticed any real major wear on driver or passenger seating. Of course, the Cadillac embroidered emblem on the backrest. I'm on driver's side here, also looking good. Of course, you're going to have your wrinkles, just in the natural hide, the leather. Kind of like a comfortable pair of shoes, I always say. Pop that hood so we peek underneath there. Let's listen. Power antenna works. Sounding good. Let's see if I can get this one-handed possibly. There we go. Oh, clean this engine bay is. Does not appear to have been driven in inclement weather. Look how clean that hood liner is. There it is. North Star V8. Plenty of power. AC's cold, heat blows hot. Power steering, power brakes. Looking for a luxury classic two-door? Here you go. 2002 Cadillac Eldorado ETC Collector Series, number 1196. Two-owner car, a little over 25,000 miles is all. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2002 Cadillac Eldorado, the two-door Cadillac, with all the luxury and sport that you expect from Cadillac. Very nice condition. The miles popping up on the odometer are less than 26,000 currently, and this does look the part. Very nice condition inside and out. Got a glass sunroof over my head. It's an automatic right here on the center console. Decked out as they should be with heated seats, multi-position power seats, excellent sounding stereo. Collector Series, 1196 of 1596. So you could say it's a collector edition version of the Eldorado. Nice burled wood grain mixed into the beige interior, kind of a tan, a light tan. Very nice looking. Goes well with that exterior color. Riding smoothly down the road, comfortable, luxurious, soft bucket leather seats in this car. Got a compass on the mirror. Brakes are working very well. Fuel gauge shows a little less than half a tank. The temperature gauge a little less than half as well. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Corners luxuriously the way you'd expect a Cadillac to. And acceleration is great. Check out all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.